Hello guys, good evening. That is the very friendly brother there.
Thank you, thank you.
Yes, you have to buy from him in this branch. So we are here in Body Shop because there is a lot of sale. So for today, I bought some facial moisturizer in cream. So allow me to show you the things inside the Body Shop. Tara, tingnan nyo lahat! Body Shop is a British cosmetic skincare and perfume company. Dame Anita Roddick founded it in 1976. They have a range of 1,000 products in about 3,000 stores in more than 65 countries, divided between those owned by the company and those franchised. The Body Shop carries a wide range of products for the body, face, hair, and home. The Body Shop claims its products are inspired by nature and feature ingredients such as marula oil and sesame seed oil, all sourced through the community trade program. Their products include body butters including moringa, satsuma, strawberry, olive, shea mango, and coconut, while body products such as body scrub, body butter, and body lilies. Cosmetics including mascara, lipstick, lip gloss, eyeshadow, and cotton rounds. Full skincare ranges from tea tree oil, vitamin C, vitamin E, aloe vera, and seaweed. Men's skin care including maca root and white musk. For the hair care, we have their famous banana shampoo and banana conditioner. And it includes fragrances for men and women's. Bath products include shower gels and solid soaps. High-end skincare range such as Oil of Life, face mask including sheet mask. So they have a variety of skin products according to your skin needs.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. We can do nothing at all. So what? If you're stupid, then you know it's nothing wrong. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning.
They have also the fragrance oil. This one aloe vera and soft linen. Then they have the tobacco
Say what you wanna
flower.
say to me now.
We have the lavender,
With you in the morning. Show me there's nothing
white
fake to me
mask.
now. I wanna wake up with
Too much flavors.
Say what you
I
wanna
mean
say to
scents.
me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning.
So I will buy this one
Turn it to
and the body butter.
let me float around. Eyes closed.